Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from PayPal to Cash App. So for that you need to open up your PayPal account, and after that you will find this option of link a card or bank account. Just click on it. After that click on this option of link a bank account, and when you click on link a bank account, even when you search for Cash App you won't be able to find it, so you will have to link it manually. And for that we will require information of bank account number and other stuff. So for that we will head up to Cash App. And on Cash App, when you click on the first option from bottom left hand side corner, you will see dollar option over here. And when you click on it, you will be able to see account details on the top. When you click on it, you will be able to find account number and other details. In case if you don't have any account number and these details, then you will have to get the card from Cash App. And for that you will have to click on this option of cards, and you will be getting it free of cost. So get the card, and after that you will be getting the details of your account number and other details to add Cash App to your PayPal manually. Then come back to PayPal again, click on link a bank, link it manually, select check in account, and then provide account number and other details. After that just follow with the process, and you will be able to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App, and it will be quite easy. And this is how you send money from PayPal to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.